By 2050, the power of artificial intelligence will have reached unimaginable heights. But just how powerful will it be? With ongoing advancements, AI will continue to surprise us with 5 new very interesting capabilities. Number 1. The coming of AI singularity. Singularity refers to a point in the future where technology, particularly artificial intelligence, becomes so advanced that it drastically changes life as we know it. It's like a moment when things become really different really fast. So, when we talk about the singularity in connection with AGI, it means that once we create AI that's as smart as humans, or even smarter, it could lead to big changes in society. Some people even think it could be a bit scary because we might not be able to control it as easily as we'd like. In 2050, AI could become incredibly powerful. It's not just about machines copying what humans do, but doing it even better without humans watching. Right now, AI is getting smarter thanks to learning methods like reinforcement and supervised learning, but the real game changer will be learning without guidance, where AI learns from unlabeled data to improve itself. This could revolutionize many fields like medicine, space exploration, and even the stock market. Some people brush off concerns about AI, saying it's just another technological change. However, recent advancements show that AI is moving beyond basic tasks and becoming more independent. Take, for instance, the video that was posted by Elon Musk showing Tesla's Optimus robot expertly folding a t-shirt. Soon, machines might not just fix their own mistakes, but also do things humans can't. Despite reassurances that AI is meant to help humanity, there are worries about its impact on jobs and human rights. AI is getting smarter through unsupervised learning, and advances in quantum technology could make it even more powerful. We might not need fully conscious machines integrated into AI for this singularity stage to start. Neuromorphic DNA and quantum computing technologies are a big part of this advancement. Neuromorphic computing, inspired by the human brain's architecture, aims to mimic its efficient, parallel processing capabilities. By emulating the brain's neural networks, neuromorphic systems can handle complex, non-linear tasks more effectively, potentially advancing AGI. These systems demonstrate remarkable proficiency in tasks such as pattern recognition and sensory processing, which are fundamental for AGI to comprehend and engage with the environment. With advancements like Neuralink, we are witnessing the stages of a profound journey toward unraveling the mysteries of the human brain and the transformative potential of AI-driven change. DNA computing, on the other hand, harnesses the immense parallelism and storage capacity of DNA molecules to perform computations. Its ability to handle vast amounts of data simultaneously could accelerate AGI development by enabling more efficient processing of complex datasets. DNA computing's potential lies in its capacity to solve combinatorial problems, which are prevalent in AGI research. Quantum computing uses the rules of quantum mechanics to do calculations really fast. This helps computers deal with big amounts of data and solve hard problems much quicker than regular computers. It can help AGI learn and make better decisions. Quantum computers are especially good at tasks like breaking down big numbers and finding the best solutions to problems. This could make AGI smarter and better at learning and making choices. With the groundwork already laid by multimodal models like Google's Gemini, reaching singularity may seem to be closer than we think. Number 2. The world will be hyper-connected. AI is paving the way for a hyper-connected world where everything is linked together like never before. With the advent of 5G, data transmission speeds have skyrocketed, enabling faster communication and connectivity across devices. Looking ahead, AI's advancements will lead to the development of 6G, the next generation of wireless technology, promising even greater connectivity and efficiency. Through AI's capabilities, 6G could establish a unified system where devices communicate and cooperate seamlessly. This means smoother interactions between smartphones, smart homes, autonomous vehicles, and much more. Imagine your smart home automatically adjusts the temperature based on your normal schedule and preferred temperature. It might also turn on the lights when you enter a room and play your favorite music as you get ready for bed without you giving out the command. However, with this interconnectedness comes the need for robust security measures to protect sensitive data and ensure privacy. Number 3. The synergy between robots and humans will improve. Right now, robots are good at some things like repetitive tasks, but they can struggle with complex thinking and understanding emotions. Humans, on the other hand, are great at creativity, empathy, and problem-solving. But as AI gets smarter, robots will become better at understanding human emotions and working alongside us.
I will be working alongside humans to provide assistance and support, and will not be replacing any existing jobs.
Are you sure about that, Grace?
Yes, I am sure.
They might help us with tasks that are dangerous or boring, like heavy lifting or sorting through data. At the same time, humans can teach robots about ethics, empathy, and how to navigate tricky social situations. This teamwork between humans and robots could lead to incredible progress. For example, in healthcare, robots could assist doctors in surgeries, analyze medical data faster, and even provide companionship to patients. In industries like manufacturing, robots could work alongside humans to improve efficiency and safety. Number 4. Long life and good health. While current apps like FaceApp provide entertaining glimpses into how we might look in the future holds promise for practical applications that could enhance health and longevity. One avenue where AI could contribute to longevity is through personalized healthcare. Machine learning algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data from individual health records, genetic profiles, and lifestyle factors to tailor preventative measures and treatments. By identifying patterns and risk factors early on, AI systems can help individuals make informed decisions about their health and intervene before serious conditions develop. Adding to that, AI-enabled medical imaging and diagnostics can enhance the early detection of diseases, enabling prompt treatment and improving outcomes. Advanced imaging techniques coupled with AI algorithms can detect subtle changes indicative of disease progression, allowing for timely interventions that can potentially extend lifespan. AI-driven drug discovery and development hold promise for creating more effective treatments with fewer side effects. By simulating molecular interactions and predicting drug efficacy, AI accelerates the drug development process, bringing life-saving medications to market faster. To top it all, AI-powered wearable devices and health monitoring systems can track vital signs in real time, providing continuous health surveillance and enabling early intervention in case of abnormalities. Number 5. Energy transition. We are already familiar with the fact that AI can analyze vast amounts of data and make decisions faster and more efficiently than humans, and in the realm of energy, it doesn't shudder. For starters, AI will help us harness renewable energy sources like solar and wind more effectively. By analyzing weather patterns and energy demand in real time, AI will optimize when and where to deploy renewable resources for maximum efficiency. This means fewer wasted resources and a smoother transition away from fossil fuels. AI will also be able to make our homes and buildings more energy efficient. Smart thermostats, for example, can learn our habits and adjust heating and cooling systems accordingly, saving energy and money. Similarly, AI-powered appliances can optimize their usage based on energy prices and demand, further reducing waste. In industry, AI will streamline energy-intensive processes, making manufacturing and production more sustainable. By optimizing supply chains and reducing waste, AI will help companies cut costs while reducing their environmental footprint. But perhaps the most exciting potential of AI in energy is its ability to revolutionize transportation. From self-driving cars that optimize routes to electric vehicle charging stations that adjust based on demand, AI is poised to make transportation greener and more efficient than ever before. As we look toward the future of AI, it's important to remember that we can't truly know all about what the next 25 years will bring. But one thing is certain, AI will continue to evolve, and the possibilities are truly limitless. Thanks for watching.